Is bigger always better? Well, if we're talking e-bike batteries, then hell yeah it is. This is the ETM RTR Touring Upgrade Battery. This is a 72 volt, 45 amp hour beast that drops right in to replace the stock 72 volt, 25 amp hour RTR battery. This is literally bigger than the battery I had in my Talaria XXX, which is crazy. For all you battery nerds, this is 3.2 kilowatt hour rated, has 250 amp rated discharge. You can also charge it up to 45 amps. Naturally, this is noticeably heavier than stock, coming in at 40 pounds versus the stock roughly 25 to 30 pounds. Now I'm not worried. Since last video we put on this mod motor.
Yep, she wheelies at 25.
Which should make pulling up this front wheel with that extra weight no problem whatsoever. I've got both batteries here. The biggest difference you notice aside from weight is just this size. So same width it appears, same height, except for this little portion. I guess this is where they stick those extra amps. And it's just a little raised platform here versus the stock, it doesn't have it. So side by side, you can see that there's just a little platform on this one. Otherwise, they look majorly the same. Install is quite literally the easiest thing ever. We're just swapping batteries, people. But don't forget, this is ConnorG and he even has his own issues. Okay. Just kidding, no real issues. I just had to move some of the wires that I had shoddily set up along the side here around for this kit, but otherwise it's fully in there, tightened down, good to go, mounts right up. So let's get this seat on and make sure this thing works. But let's see, does it work? Woo, it does. 80%. I just did that little flicker thing just because it woke the battery up, and it looks like she works. It's some of our first impressions here. Same exact power and everything, but just a little heavier. It's definitely a little heavier, but it almost makes the bike feel more stout, if anything. Cutting it close there, bud. Now, since this battery doesn't technically add any real power to the bike, we're gonna do a range test right in this video. Now, I figure what better way to test this range than to go to a new city? So I'm gonna throw this thing in the van, hit the road, and meet up with my buddy Hayden. All right, guys, we're outside. We got Hayden here. Just gotta show some appreciation for the minivan. Look at this setup. Just got it, what the fuck are those called again? Bungees. Bungeed up to the seat belt, and it doesn't go anywhere now. Fits perfect, just like a glove in the van, so. Let's get it out and ride, baby.
Hell yeah, I'm ready.
All right, guys, we are starting the range test. We're gonna use this Map My Run app, so it should just go the whole time. My GoPro, it's probably gonna die. It's definitively gonna die before the bike. I was not prepared, as I never am when I ride with Hayden. I'm at 85%, but 85% on this thing should beat that. 60, 40, even if are you at 100?
Yep.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, so we'll see what mileage we get on these things, but we have the mod motor equipped, 72 volt, 45 amp hour battery. Let's do it. All right, and off we go. We're in the suburbs, like about an hour northwest of Philly. So guys, YouTube, this is all on a closed course. Hayden's getting a lot better at wheelies. This battery is going to cost you $16.99. Now, you can save a couple bucks if you use code ConnorG, about 85 bucks to be exact. So it's not cheap, obviously. That's literally more than half the cost of the bike. I think we're banging a left here, right? It's gonna give you a lot of peace of mind if you're doing big ride outs, if you have buddies that have, 72 volt Surons. Should probably slow down for this guy up here. So it's pretty crazy that this is a 7245 in this tiny little pit bike frame.
Bro, that bike has the best sound.
Dude, it sounds gnarly. But this is so cool that you can just drop this battery in with no changes to the controller. You don't have to modify the lid. The seat fits just fine. Little swerves. If you get this battery, you can just hot swap it. So you can have both your batteries charged, bring an extra with you, swap them out. The 7225 is definitely lighter. I will say you notice that this is a bit heavier. It's about 10 pounds heavier. But with this mod motor equipped, I don't even notice it, dude. If anything, it kind of makes the bike feel a little more planted just because it's heavier. It makes it feel a little more legitimate. Stock Talaria, mod motor, 7245 RTR. Watch out, chipmunk! Absolutely destroyed. Dusted. Ready? You want to see the mod motor power, dude? But since this battery is so expensive, you could also always just sell your stock battery. People are always looking to buy extra batteries.
We can know anything about Penhurst? Have you heard of Penhurst before?
Wasn't it like an asylum or something?
Yeah, so this right here is literally like a 20 building complex.
What?
Like mental insane asylum.
Whatever you do. Dude, you're the leader. I follow the leader. I have little wheels, okay? Bro, that's nuts. I can only imagine how they treated their patients back then.
I'm not one to believe in like ghosts and spirits and like shit like that, but every person in this area has been like, I don't care what you believe in, like.
Oh, there's a car right there. I wonder if they must have cameras and shit around here. I'm just so used to like being able to do whatever I want, so it's kind of funny. Oh, I see him right there. Right there, yeah. Let's do a quick update on the range. Just under 3 miles so far. Battery's at 76, but if we turn the bike off and back on, we'll actually be at 78. But the thing I'll say about all these Electron Co batteries is they drop percentage fast up front. 75 and below, it's like, wow, this is lasting forever. These are super cool trails around here, though. Not a bad area to ride for Hayden here. Oh, it smells like semen, bro. It's the cum trees. All of these trees around here literally dump their seeds, and it smells like seed, bro.
Yeah, what is it?
The cum trees, bro.
No.
It smells like literal semen.
I'm so glad you said that because I'd be thinking that and I'm like, I can't even say it.
Yeah. Freshly paved roads. Alright, so we got 6 miles, that's it, we're at 72%. This battery's chilling, and now we're in the zone where it just freaking doesn't go down, so I don't think we're gonna come anywhere close to killing this. That's it, right there, that's it. That's what I'm saying, bro, you are dropping back. Hayden's still wheeling. He's still wheeling. Bro, you can wheelie. You can wheelie, dude. Do you want to try this? Back on a Triple X. To all my commenters that say you missed the Triple X, wow, this bike feels so small, even compared to that. Like how skinny it is, I forgot that. I have not ridden a stock Triple X in a minute. All those front forks, bro. Since these bikes are so comparative in terms of price point, like, I loved my Triple X, but now hopping on a stocky Triple X versus how this thing has been stock, I think I would get this instead of this.
Suspension-wise, it feels way more dialed in.
It's way cheaper to upgrade, too. Like, even if you don't do a battery, you already have a 72 volt, and, you know, if you want to do, like, a motor, a controller, or a battery on this, you're going to pay, like, 3 or 4 grand.
You're at like 7, and this fully kitted out is like,
this brand new is 3, and then a motor's $350. A big batteries are expensive, $16.99. But and then they're releasing like the True Moto kit, which is the crazy kit. That'll probably be like maybe $2K. I don't know.
Do you want to bang in RTR for 5, or do you want like a dialed in?
Yeah, because when the XXX is fully built up, it's pretty fucking sick too. Yeah, but if I'm buying brand new again, I have these 2 options. I'd probably go with this. Okay, so bike is at 69, and we're at 8.36 miles. Dude, and just like that, it feels like we're in the country. Oh shit, Wawa. Dude, I gotta say, I have no range anxiety at all. Oh, this is the Schuylkill. Yeah. Look at that. You could literally have ridden to the pagoda. That's what we're doing.
That's what we're doing. That's a done deal.
That's what we're doing. We're going to do a day where we ride from here to the pagoda.
I'm with it.
53, 54, 55. $60? All right. Yeah, I'm at 60 as well. Dude, did we just... Woo! So we're at 60. We've gone 15 miles so far. No drop.
If you just tryna smoke, well I got spots. If you just tryna, well I'm about that. Yeah, baby, I'm chillin'. I'm in my bag, no feelings. Drain with a lime, why you so fine? Gave it to me once, I need it one more time. Hit up my line when I'm back on your mind. You know who to call when you tryna unwind. I'm feeling your swag, you feeling mine. Things heat up in the summertime. We can stay friends if it's done right. No hesitation, I know you waiting.
All right, guys, we're coming up on 18 miles, still at 53%. Keep in mind, I got like 26 miles on the stock RTR battery from 100. This is from 86, so pretty nuts, but exactly what I expected. But dude, just to get this range out of a little pit bike literally is so crazy. Like, Hayden's got a stock XXX, but like I said, if you have buddies with 72 volt Surons, Talaria Z-Ride Pros, you don't have to worry about anything. You can keep up with them, no problem, ride all day. It's just absolutely nuts. And it really is like, honestly, I don't notice much, the extra weight. I did it first, now I'm used to it, and I'm not really noticing anything. It feels just fine, no problem whatsoever. And then just the ability to hot swap this thing. I've got my other stock battery, the 7225, which still does great. Still got like 28 miles or whatever. Just ready to pop in when this battery is dead and needs to be charged. It's crazy. We're not even below 50% and we've gone almost 20 miles. 41. This thing is quick, man. All right, what are you at?
38.
38? What do you think I'm at? 48. Close guess.
Oh, okay.
Let me see how far we've gone. 21.37 miles. So guys, 48% right now. We've gone 21, almost 22 miles. And we started at 86. It's nuts, dude. You can just ride this thing all day. Guys, the GoPro died, of course, but it is just now starting to rain. It's crazy. We started at 86 and we're at 41 right now. You can't kill this battery if you wanted to. We've gone 27 miles so far. Crazy. And I'm at 41% starting at 86. We're not going to be able to kill this today, especially with this rain. All right, y'all, we made it back to the crib. Let's see what the numbers are looking like. We've got 2 hours, 45 minutes riding 30 miles, and we're at 33%. Keep in mind, again, we started at 86%. So we didn't start at 100, so that's pretty damn good. I don't think it really does the battery justice in this video, to be honest, but we've got some bad weather. On that 33%, probably could have squeezed another, like, I don't know, 10 miles out of it, maybe.
I don't know if they can tell. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you were cooking the entire time. The entire time, going way faster, way more, just,
That's
you know
what I do
what I mean?
for my range test. I try to ride it like how you'd ride it. So.
Right. So you were definitely cooking it. I couldn't keep up, and we had numerous races. We had numerous everything. So
Yeah. So certified ripper battery. You know, it's not cheap, but no batteries are cheap. It's the cheapest if you're gonna get an e-bike and upgrade it. So as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're on the road to 100K. Please sub. That'd be great. But otherwise, we'll catch you next time. Peace.